I'm Steven D'Souza, student of Electrical Engineering at St. Joseph Engineering College, Bangalore, India. Welcome you to SPIE-funded Education Outreach Program on Optics and Photonics.
In this video, we shall learn to perform an experiment to understand the scattering properties of light through a medium using locally available and low-cost material with easy techniques. To construct this model, we shall create an insulated box by using carton box. Placing clear sheets and mirror with the crushed aluminum foil sheet. Now we shall fill up the space inside the box with the fumes using agarbatti to see the light beam traversed. 1 or 2 sticks of agarbatti is sufficient. For immediately filling up the box with fumes, we can use more number of these sticks. We can notice that when the light is projected onto smooth, flat surface, which is a mirror, they reflect away from the surface at the same angle as they arrived. But when the light is projected onto a rough, uneven surface, which is a crushed aluminum foil sheet, the light gets scattered from about its surface of incidence. These are list of materials used to construct this model. These are locally available and low cost material which can be found in any stationeries. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was useful.